A mushroom dispensary is claiming victory in a court case brought by the city. The owners were found guilty on some charges, but the judge then ruled against the city. CTV's Ben Milger explains.
Mushrooms come in all shapes and sizes,
including the psychoactive variety, which have been openly sold at this East Hastings storefront for several years. Are you breaking the law here?
Well, it depends how you look at it, but yeah, I think we are.
The city recently took the Strathcona Tea Society, which operates the mushroom dispensary, to court, not for trafficking banned psychoactive substances, including magic mushrooms and LSD, but for operating without a valid business license. The city had issued a license for a limited food service establishment and argued selling banned substances fell outside of that.
They actually said in court they have no power to license a shop like ours because we're allegedly breaking the law. And yet we all know that Vancouver was licensing cannabis dispensaries in the years before legalization.
The presiding justice found the city failed to prove the society was operating outside the parameters of its license, in part because the city inspector failed to prove the products being sold were actually magic mushrooms, even though that was likely the case. However, a possibility or a probability does not meet the standard of proof, the justice said. The justice did find the society and its director guilty of failing to comply with city orders to shut down. Store spokesperson Dana Larson says some customers use psychoactive mushrooms for fun and others medicinally. The Canadian Drug Policy Coalition would like them to be legalized and regulated, much like cannabis.
Where we would want policy to be focusing is around ensuring that there's proper controls over access, and that includes what's the quality of the substance, how is it packaged, who can sell it, who can purchase it. While
awaiting sentencing for failing to comply with the city order, the shop continues to operate 7 days a week.
This bias against us, it's only going to fail. It's going to cost the city a lot of money in legal fees.
The store and its operators may soon have their own additional legal fees. The VPD says it is preparing a package to Crown Council and recommending criminal charges. Ben Milger, CTV News, Vancouver.